how many times you're open for business, the doors are going, business is booming, you're exhausted. Now what? Sometimes, whether you're a new startup business, or whether you've been in business for a while, or whether you're recruiting additional members to your team, things to think about would be, first of all, are you really ready? And so when we look at this portion of being ready, it's the same example as when you sit down at a table and you have a messy desk versus you have the papers that you need, you have the pencils that you need, or the computer and the application, the software, all ready to go. It makes it so much easier to really start on what you need to do. The next step then is to really, believe it or not, step back. Now why would we want to step back, you ask? The reason for that is sometimes we get so involved within a project, we lose track of what we were really intending to complete. So at that point, it's time to take a step back. Sometimes you may even ask for someone else's perspective to help you with this component. And the third component of what we want to do for a successful business is to then actually grow. So when you grow, at that point, you already know what you need, you have it in process, you step back to really analyze and take part with these steps, and you are now ready to grow and have a perfect foundation for a successful business. So if you would like to take more information for these steps, please feel free to contact me. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.